How do you feel about Drake?
Don't like him.
At all?
No.
How do you think Drake did hosting the ESPYs last night?
I don't like Drake. I think he's an actor. He's not a real rapper.
I agree, 100%.
How do you think Drake did hosting the ESPYs last night?
Drake, he's kind of an outlandish guy. He says that he came from the bottom, which most likely he didn't, but
Very true.
We're talking about the big topic right now. It's the Drake versus Kendrick beef. Now, a lot of people been hating on Drake for a long time, man. Like, Drake's got a lot of haters right now, but, you know, right now Kendrick is giving big Gemini energy. He is coming with the hate. This man really does not appear to like Drake or anything Drake stands for. And then Drake made the mistake of really provoking this man and provoking this man's family. And this man is choosing violence, real violence from the heart. This man made a whole EP disrespecting Drake, and we're going to talk about it. But let's just get into the history first and foremost. Let's go.
The Kendrick Lamar versus Drake beef has been a roller coaster ride through the years, evolving from friendship to animosity, and culminating in a series of diss tracks and public exchanges. Here's a breakdown of the key points. Early friendship and collaboration, 2011-2012. Kendrick Lamar and Drake started out on friendly terms, with Drake even inviting Lamar to feature on his album, Take Care. However, tensions started to build as their differing attitudes towards wealth and fame became apparent, with Lamar focusing more on substance in his music, while Drake embraced his lavish lifestyle on social media.
Yeah, so now we go to 2013 where the rift actually started. Because, I mean, as with all major beefs, man, with everything you see in the media, everything started out good. It's very rare you start out hating somebody like that, man. But let's just get into it. Let's see what happened next.
Rift widened when Kendrick Lamar dropped a verse on Big Sean's track, Control, where he called out several rappers, including Drake, asserting his dominance in the rap game. Drake responded, questioning Lamar's ability to create lasting works of art compared to his own. Public digs, 2014-2015. Both artists continued to take subtle shots at each other in their music, with Lamar emphasizing the differences in their artistic approaches. The beef intensified when Drake seemingly took aim at Lamar on his track, The Language, and Lamar responded indirectly in interviews and his music. Meek Mill controversy, 2015. During Meek Mill's accusations against Drake for using a ghostwriter, Kendrick Lamar also hinted at the issue in his lyrics, further fueling the tension between the two. Commercial success versus critical acclaim, 2016-2018. Drake dominated sales and streams with albums like Views and Scorpion, while Kendrick Lamar received critical acclaim for albums like To Pimp a Butterfly and Damn. Despite their differing successes, the rivalry simmered beneath the surface. Recent diss tracks, 2019-2024, Kendrick Lamar made a surprise appearance on a track seemingly aimed at Drake, sparking a new round of diss tracks and public exchanges. Drake responded with accusations against Lamar's activism and personal life, while Lamar countered with allegations against Drake's character and behavior. Throughout the years, the Kendrick Lamar versus Drake beef has evolved from subtle jabs to full-blown diss tracks, reflecting their competitive spirit and the complexities of the rap game. The feud continues to captivate fans and fuel discussions about authenticity, success, and artistic merit in hip-hop.
As you can see, this has been something a long time coming, and we're here for it. We're here, the fans. We like to see the lyrical battles, and there's no telling what's going to be next, and we're going to go cover everything as much as we can. You can go ahead and subscribe and like the video. It helps out a lot. We're just starting out. We're trying to do this as best as we can, all right?